Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit our website, LeatherTeck by Upholstery Technology, or go directly to Upholstery Technology. We have these kits available for you to take home, office, on workplace, and do the installation yourself. Or you can come to San Bernardino. We can help you here to do the installation. So let's dive in. And we have the car of the day, a 2014 Honda Accord Coupe. 2 doors, and this is the front seats. And I know it doesn't look that good. Well, it looks better than the previous ones. And this is the toy right here. Airbag suspension. And we have the panels already there. Back seats. There. These 2014 cars, because they've been on the road for some time, they tend to develop wear and tear in the foam, meaning it gets softer. So we're going to be working on this so we can adjust the foam to the new covers. So it will feel and look fantastic back again. And this is our LeatherTeck product. You can go to our website and acquire it now. You can buy it directly from the site. And you can install it yourself if you wish to. If not, bring it to us right here in San Bernardino, 703 South Gifford. We will be happy to help you. Click in the link below, subscribe, and wait for me to complete this installation so you can see how fantastic and beautiful our leather kits looks like.